wrap himself.
Poor Parker don't want to.
Anthony,
like
do
bubble?
not hit him in the head.
I just said we're not hitting in the face.
Okay.
Like bubble wrap.
Poor Parker, look at he's like, I'll take it. He needs a helmet.
Come on, Parker.
Round one.
Ready?
Fight.
Parker's like,
Ding, ding, ding.
He's like, I'm fucking done.
he was okay with Kenneth because they're about the same, you know, the weight-wise.
Round one.
Anthony packs a
Anthony's
mean
strong
fucking
though.
punch.
Anthony's strong.
Oh, I know he is. I see that.
Ding, ding, ding.
He can get him right in the face.
Anthony takes the first hit.
Oh, Anthony! I could just see. I know that the wind right out of him.
Got him in the back.
We have so many clear up
Smart,
face
man.
shots, so keep going. That's a true friend. He's like, Anthony, don't hurt me.
Oh. Oh.
He's walking in the face.
He just looked like his father with that.